Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And today we are going to do this look using this palette, which is Colourpop X Winx Club collaboration. And oh my god, this is my absolute dream. Seriously, you know what, I was so obsessed with Winx Club as a kid. Holding this in my hands, it just feels so good. I'm just so happy just doing this. Okay, so this is the look we did today, and this is based on Stella from Winx Club. You know, this girl over here, yeah, that's Stella. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay, so this is the palette in question. Just look at this palette. Can you see? It's very pretty. This packaging is my whole childhood, and this is how it looks on the back. Like सारे shades के नाम है यहाँ पे, and the inside is even prettier because it looks like this from the inside. These are 6 Winx fairies. If you haven't seen it before, let me tell you, these are the lead characters: Bloom, Stella, Flora, Tekna, Musa, and Aisha. And this show used to be my whole life growing up. I was crazy about Winx Club. Like, I was obsessive. That is how much I loved it. And the only reason why I bought this palette, like this palette costed me almost 3,500 rupees. And see, look at this palette. It has nothing that I don't have already. The only reason why I got this palette was because of Winx Club. I just thought ki, you know, like this has been such a huge part of my childhood. I absolutely loved Winx Club. Let me just get something, you know, as a souvenir of that childhood memories. So I got this palette. I should keep it down because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं ज़्यादा देर तक पकड़ूंगी तो इसको गिरा दूंगी. So this is like that. Now see, I had several thoughts in my mind जब मैं इसको लेने वाली थी. I will give you a closer look because I definitely felt like कि मेरे पास ये सब कलर्स हैं, मेरे पास ये सब कुछ है, तो मैं क्यों लूँ एक पैलेट 3,500 रुपीज़ का when I already have everything, right? Even अगर मैं एक बार को ये पूरी souvenir and memories भी साइड में रख दूँ, तो I wasn't convinced enough. But if you see these colors over here, like this color over here, I don't know if camera can pick it up. You know what? I will show it to you tomorrow in the sunlight, right? Properly flex karake how it looks, because right now this light is doing nothing to it, and then I will show you how this palette is, because this is not just normal matte shimmer palette. It has duochromes, it has some really pretty glitters, chunky shimmers, like it has everything that I don't have. So this is how this palette looks in the broad daylight. Please don't mind the noise. It's literally afternoon and everybody is on the streets hustling and bustling. So this is how this palette is. So if you can see this shade over here, Pure Magic, you see that shift? Yeah, it's almost white but it shifts to blue. Yep. And this over here, Sonic Bomb, is a glitter formula, right? So this is that. Now this over here, this Nature Symphony, is the wet Colourpop formula, but I do believe this type of formula is available in many palettes. I think I do have like 1 or 2 palettes from Colourpop, and one of that has this formula. This formula is different. It is iridescent. It is almost duochrome. It is very pretty. This one is straight up glitter shimmer formula. So that is that, you know, not chunky glitter, but like shimmery. Oh my god, that is pretty. Wow, that is, and it has like quite some shimmers to it. Wow, these two, I think they are like the basic shimmer palettes. The basic shimmer. Oh, they are very colorful. I mean, okay, you see, yeah. That's why I got this palette, because it had so much more to offer to me than just your normal matte shimmer palette. So for today, I thought let's do a look based on Stella. So Stella, I will put a picture over here. Stella was the fairy of sun and the moon. Okay, she was the princess of Solaria, and what I was feeling was कि आज मैं ऐसा करूँगी that I will pick up the shades जो सिर्फ Stella के नाम से हैं इस palette के अंदर, which is number 1 Solaria, this one. This is Solaria, and then we have this Sunbolt, which is totally based on Stella, right? Other than that, I really felt कि ये वाला भी Stella से related color होगा, but this is actually Dragon Flame, which makes sense. Like it is burnt orange, which is like Bloom ka color. So this is not for Stella. But there are many more colors that are literally, that do not belong to any particular fairy. They are just something related to Winx Club. For example, this is Fairy Vibe over here. Then there is this Charmix. This is like literally, it has nothing to do with any particular fairy. It's just a normal regular based on fairy kind of thing. And then there is this pure magic. This again is, it has nothing to do with any particular fairy. It is just something related to Winx Club. So maybe I can mix and match. I'll do something. I don't know what exactly, but today we are here. And my main goal is going with orange and yellow. And if I feel like I want to add something different, we will add something different. And let's have a little chitter chatter about Winx Club, right? Because I want to talk about it. Like, I want to share this big part of my childhood with you guys, because why not? Like, should I start? Do I need to do Dragon Flame in the inner corner? You know, just to give that darkness to my crease, and then I'll go with Sunbolt, and then I'll put Solaria over here. That would be cute. I will go in with Dragon Flame. Let's put it on the crease. Let's put it on the eye. Okay. Wait. I forgot this thing. Oh my god. Just get off my eyelid. Okay, so for this particular palette, now this is a pastel palette. Now let me tell you one thing about pastel palettes and Indian skin tones, that we brown people, we apparently don't do very good with pastel colors. So I saw a few people who क्या करते हैं, वो ना एक white base लेते हैं and उसके ऊपर अपना pastel color put करते हैं. So I got this pencil. This is LV Colors Jumbo Pencil. This I feel is like a dupe to NYX Jumbo Pencil, right? It's just a white kohl pencil. I just went for this pencil because it's थोड़ी सी मोटी है. It would blend easily. That is what it is. So yeah, this is this. Let me just use it on my hand first to see if it blends. Okay, so this is how it is, and this is fine. It is blending fine. So basically, I started watching Winx Club when I believe I was in like 8th, 6th, 7th, 8th standard ish. Around that time when I was growing up as a teenager, right? And उस time पे Winx Club actually Cartoon Network पे आता था, like दोपहर को 2-3 बजे इस time पे usually I think, and I saw it once during summer vacation. Okay, so हमारी summer vacation होती है for good May, June, July, है ना? It was good time for about almost 2 months, and that is when I started watching Winx Club. So this was really back in the days, and very first season of Winx Club जिसमें Bloom को पता चलता है that she's actually a fairy. That is when I started watching Winx Club, and yeah, ever since then I never stopped watching Winx Club. And India में unfortunately Winx Club उस time पर सिर्फ season 1, 2 and 3rd तक आया था, Enchantix तक, and उसके बाद they just stopped broadcasting it, right? And उस time पे ना इतना इंटरनेट नहीं होता था कि मैं इसके बारे में कहीं से इंफॉर्मेशन निकाल सकूं कि मैं कहाँ देखूं इसे, या कहाँ मिलेगा, या कहाँ देखा जा सकता है. There was nothing at all, and I was so devastated कि okay, it is gone forever, like from my life, like I wouldn't get to watch it ever. I was really sad, ठीक है? And then internet came in, and then I got to know कि season 4 भी आया है Billy Wicks के नाम से, right? And but I had nowhere to watch it. मेरे पास कोई option नहीं था उसको देखने का. Then life happened, and you know, studies happened. Because I was a science student, I had to forget about all of this thing, and I got busy in my life. Okay, then I think this is around about 2016, 17, 18 ish. I was just going through my TV midnight. Okay, I was watching Big Boss 10:30 बजे आता है ना, तो उस टाइम पर मैं टीवी देख रही थी, and I saw कि Winx Club का 5th season was being broadcasted on Nickelodeon. Now I'm going with Sunbolt, and I will go in the crease, right? So that is when I got to know that it is still being aired on TV, और season 5, और हम उससे भी आगे हैं, like 5 season तब उस टाइम पे broadcast हो रहा था, but already 7 season तक आ चुके थे. And yeah, इस टाइम पर इंटरनेट was on full swing, like you know, जियो का 1 GB डेटा डेली वाला स्कीम चल रहा था, and I downloaded from season 1 to season 7 Butterflix वाले season तक, and yeah, I binged watched everything all over again. So I got back to Winx Club like this. Then after this, Winx Club actually came out with Fate Saga, which I mean, many people really hate it, but I didn't hate it. Like, I was okay with it. I didn't love it, but I would have worked with it. I wasn't dying. Okay, so yeah, that is that. But it is discontinued now. We will never get to watch it ever again. Sad. I definitely wanted the Sunbolt to be a little bit more orangey than what it is, but it is not, which is sad. So let's go in with Solaria, right? Let's put on Solaria on whatever is left of my eye. Solaria is a yellow color. let me just do the jumbo eye pencil again. I'm having this feeling. I'm having this thing. Ooh. I'll just put the jumbo pencil again and then we'll do Solaria. Okay, this color in the inner corner is giving everything. I think it is really eye-opening and everything. Yeah. Am I loving this look? No. I am really mad at how this orange didn't turn out as orangey as I wanted it to be. And yeah. Going in with Dragon Flame again on the lower lash line. I definitely feel this look can benefit from a little brighter color, and I'm using my E by N matte palette, and I'm going to use some bright ass orange to make everything work. Okay, so I was speaking that I definitely feel Winx Club, it peaked during the Enchantix area, you know, that era of Enchantix. That was peak Winx Club, and ever since then I think Winx Club really tried to revive itself, reach that peak all over again, but it definitely couldn't. It could never reach that height of Enchantix era. I think I still remember, you know, for the first time when I saw the very basic Winx Club, like pehle do season were like basic Winx Club, Charmix, Magic Wings, all of that, and then suddenly there was Enchantix, right? I saw their Enchantix costume and I lost my shit. I kid you not, I lost it. I was like, wow, how can something be so cool? That is how much I love the whole Enchantix era, right? I definitely feel like मुझे season 5 भी उतना ही पसंद है. I do like Harmonix and Cyranix as well, and also season 6, like I wasn't mad at season 6 either, but I definitely felt कि वो जो एक peak season 2 वाली थी ना, they just couldn't recreate it ever since second season ended, right? And they wanted to make Believix wala season just very similar to that Enchantix wala. Especially I think Stella and Musa ke costume Enchantix wale, oh my god, I live for them still. I think this is it. Let me just put in eyeliner. What else do we have to talk about Winx Club? Oh, by the way, I got this palette from International Makeup. My god, I was blabbering about Winx Club and I forgot to tell you where I got this palette from. Kya hai? It was from International Makeup. And I got this palette like literally within less than 4 to 6 weeks. Like usually सारे sellers कहते हैं कि 4 to 6 weeks का time है. And depending on the type of seller, you might get it earlier or later. But I just feel like International Makeup in these things, I just feel like you don't have to worry about it once you buy it from them, because वो आपको बिल्कुल टाइम पे दे देते हैं. I had this problem अभी recently जब मैंने She Glam वाला Scorpio का palette लिया था. The seller, oh my god, it just took ages for me to take it from her. Literally एक point ऐसा आया था तो मुझे लगा था कि बस अब मैं आगे के पैसे दूंगी ही नहीं, मुझे palette चाहिए ही नहीं. I was so tired of waiting like literally 2 months or more. That's why I just went back to International Makeup, because I definitely feel like she doesn't do that thing. It is a very thick wing, thicker than it should have been. I think for a Winx Club fan, if you are an avid Winx Club fan, this is a good palette. You can definitely give it a try. Do you need it? Of course not. I think this palette was solely made for the purpose of, you know, nostalgia. कि जो Winx Club के fan है वो इसको definitely खरीदेंगे, and I think we are the only ones who have bought it, okay? And yeah, I mean, मुझे तो अभी फिलहाल ऐसे ही लगता है कि I didn't make a bad decision. It was a good decision. Okay, let me just put in some mascara. Let me finish this look. Okay, let me just finish it and then I'll be back. I actually added a little bit of the blue eyeshadow because I was just not feeling the look enough, okay? And I definitely felt कि Stella के look में उसके blue ribbons आते हैं, then उसके blue wings भी आते हैं. So her color is not only just yellow and orange, it is somewhere blue as well. So I added a little bit of blue and I think it is going with my top. This is giving, okay? I am really loving it now. At this point, this finished product, I'm really liking it. Okay, so yeah, having said that, did I forget to mention that I actually have another look, Holi Wali, which you can definitely see. I have it already on this channel, or maybe I will add it in this video, I don't know, okay? Because when I used to tutorial dala tha na, that wasn't a tutorial, it was just more like a lip syncing video. So yeah, I don't know, like I will maybe upload another tutorial, so do check that out. I will link it in the description box. Okay, so yes guys, yeah, this is where we are with this palette. This is a gorgeous palette, and I think I have already given my review on this. I really do enjoy this palette, I'm not going to lie, but I definitely do feel ki because this is a pastel sort of a palette, and pastel and brown skin tone aren't the best friends. That is something I just feel ki na, it's not giving like 10 on 10. It is somewhere at a 9. That is my problem with the whole color scheme. But I do feel कि जब मैंने ये जो भी इस NYX jumbo pencil के साथ जो भी किया था, this LA colors pencil के साथ, I think it definitely worked, and I think it will work for the future as well. So I think I found a solution to it. So I'm not mad at it. Okay, I am definitely enjoying this palette. Like it was a good buy. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे पैसे वसूल हो जाएंगे, because I'm going to do like 2-3 looks more. मैंने सोचा है कि स्टेला के बाद I'm going to do Flora, Bloom and Tekna as well, because I think that is the color scheme I want to go for. So I'm going to do that as well, and maybe Aisha, I'm not sure, but अभी नहीं तो at least I think in future maybe I will do Aisha वाली look as well. Musa I'm not sure, because Musa is like just red and मैं already वो Valentine पे कर चुकी हूँ, so that is maybe I won't do that. So yeah, that is that. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video guys. Bye bye.